Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we'll be drawing a round wire spring of diameter 12 millimeters and has an internal diameter of 80 millimeters and a pitch of 50 millimeters. Can you guess what other information I need to add to this question? Can you guess? So we have the diameter of the wire spring, we have the internal diameter of the spring, and we have the pitch of 80 millimeters. Right? To see the three-dimensional effect of the spring, you have to draw at least two pitches. So we're going to draw three pitches, all right? So draw three pitches. All right? Good. For the spring. Good? All right. Now, so in today's lesson, we'll be looking at the round wire spring. In the previous lesson, we looked at calculation of area for those who are doing CAPE. All right, so we're gonna start. Now, the first thing that you're gonna do is to draw the inside diameter of the round wire spring, right? Because the spring would be the cylinder that it fits on, okay, when they are making it, okay, or even after if they're finished making it. You know those press button pens, when you press a button, the pen retracts in and out. The spring, the diameter of the refill ink, the plastic container that holds the ink, the spring would fit on that pen cartridge, if you call it a kind of cartridge is the right name, right? So the internal diameter for the spring would be the outside diameter for the pen cartridge, the thing that holds the ink. All right, good. So we're gonna start off with our cylinder. Is that okay with you? All right. So we're gonna go line. All right, it's gonna go line. And the diameter is 80. So we're gonna set out 80 here. Yes. Then we want three pitches, right? So each pitch is 50 millimeters, right? So 3 times 15 will be 150, isn't that so? All right, hope you're following. 150. All right. Then again, the diameter was 80. And then we're going up back 150 because we have three pitches. All right, good. All right. So now that we have established the cylinder that it's going to fit on, we need to now draw the plan. Yes? The plan would be, what shape would be the plan for the cylinder? Can you guess? Can you guess? It will be a circle, okay? So we're going to draw a construction circle, okay? So I'm going to draw a construction circle. All right, here's our circle, right? And the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to project these lines to the front elevation using construction lines. Is that okay? Good. I hope you're following. Okay, good. All right, so we're gonna go line, From each of these points, construction line, we're going to go up, we're going to go up, enter. All right, we're going to repeat the same process again. So from the plan, we're going to draw construction lines going towards the front elevation, right? So we're going to plot these points. So there, 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 um, this point, going up, enter, go again, there, going up, enter, there, going up, enter, there, going up, enter. Good job. Did you get yours correctly drawn? All right. So what you're seeing on the screen is that I've divided the pitch, one pitch, into 12 equal parts, right? And it's also showing the plan with the construction circle for the 12 millimeter diameter wire, right? It's showing the center lines that are plotted going up towards the front elevation that are, right? We're going to plot the front elevation, the center line going around for the wire. So um, let us do that now. So we're going to plot the points at the center line. You should have done this first, but it doesn't matter. The end result will be the same for this particular question, okay? Enter. All right. So there we have our center line going around. All right. So the next step now, we are going to draw. All right. So we're going to label the text, label this wire diameter. This is wire diameter. Here is the solution on the right. I hope that you were able to complete your drawing. Let me know your thoughts about the video. Thanks for watching, and in the next video, we'll be looking at loci. How does a mechanism move based on its given conditions, and we'll plot a point that is located on this mechanism. Bye.